Hello, my name is Daisy Camila Garcia Alvarez. I am a student of the course Tissue Development. I'm integrator of the group 26. In this opportunity, I will speak about incidents critical during my practice. I am doing my immersion practice at the school La Presentación, dice la presentación de Duitama. On one occasion, the head teacher gave me the opportunity to take the class as a reinforcement of the present simple and the verb that they seen in the last class. The activities were carried out in playful way in natural tree activities such as didactics activities, ludic didactics, and the idea was to form two groups in the classroom with all the students. And was that the member of each group would pass as a representative that each group. In a game of the roll decide this dice, and the number that full was the verb they had to represent, and the idea was the form of mimic without speaking, without making any sounds, and the member of his group has to guess the verb and the sentence using the third person and the verb they has been given. And for this activity, 5 members of each group placed. In the second activity, by means of the pirinola, which is a kind of top, and they have to spin it. The verb they had to write on the board and sentence using the present simple with any personal pronouns and the verb that corresponding. And finally, in the third activity was a writing contest where each member of the group had to write a sentence in the present simple with any personal pronouns, with any verb, but the idea was that the group with the most current sentences without repeating the verbs was the winner. This was the difference and enriching activity for them, which could be evidences on the time of the evaluation on the first terms, and the other activities that involve the present simples. For example, in the topic of adverb frequency. And so all students participate and did their best to make their contributions to their groups and be the winners. Before to end the class, the teacher asked me, how many points did you student deserve of the class today? So, and I had to assign them because I was the one of directing the class. When they asked me, I understand that in total how many points they deserved. They had 40 points, and I told him 50 points for a total of 50 points, and that's the total. The teacher told me the teacher looking such as a surprise and gave him a total of 90 points. So I said, okay, I don't know, but okay. And he additioned the 14 points plus 50 points for equal to 19 points. And so we left the classroom, I asked him why he had give him 19 points if I was only 50 points. So he told me that the addition, the plus, that's it. If he only wanted 50 points, you should you should have sent me 10 points for I plus I take for 40 points plus 10 points equal a 50 points. Okay, yeah. However, the teacher agreed because this I have been a playful activity where they were shoot. The student participation were in order. They order in the position the tables when the class finishes, and they were attentive to all instructions and rules that are given. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.